Guys, so there's been a change of plans. I was not gonna do the color reveal right now. I mean, I wasn't gonna post it right now because, you know, I got the wheels late. But I'm gonna just put it in this video of the tail lights. I'm gonna just put it that way I can drop the video before I go to the Cars and Coffee tomorrow in Long Island, you know, with Nick, my boy. So I'm gonna try to do that, and then yeah. So I'm doing this intro right now, the day I'm posting the video, but it is what it is. I'll just post it later, so you guys won't see it. There's the color, guys. How it looks. Comment down below what you guys think. There she is, guys. There she is. The new color on the WRX. Majestic white. You guys need to see this color in the sun. As you know, it's wet right now, but in the sun, this color looks crazy. You can see a little bit right there of how it looks. I'll also try to see if I can post some pictures so you guys can see it under the light in the garage. So you guys can see how it looks. You see also right there how it looks. But this thing is crazy. Got a fitment though. Got that fitment. Can't get better than that. Guys, there it is. This is how she looks in the sun. And she's dirty as I've been driving her all morning. It's raining. It just stopped raining a few minutes ago. But this is how she looks in the sun, dirty. I don't know if clean she'll look the same, but I think she will. There you go. Oh, so now you've seen the color of the car, and now you wanna stop watching the video? Bam, bro. What you waiting to subscribe? Like it, comment. Like, if you haven't done it, like, what you waiting for? So yeah, that's the color reveal. You know, if you guys want to see how the car looks in the garage under the light, stick around. In the next clip, you're going to see the car in the garage. You know, because from here on, it's going to be for the tail lights and my lights and shit. So, whatchamacallit, yeah, you need to see the color under the light. Because in the light, it looks different than how it looks like during the day. It looks white, silverish, I don't know. But check out the next clip. So what are we doing today? We're going to be changing out those tail lights for these tail lights. I also have the fourth brake light, but I forgot to bring it from my house, so I'm gonna put that tomorrow when I come into work. So yeah, today we're gonna do this, and then we'll do the fourth brake light. So yes. Final look with the car with those tail lights. Where are the wheels? They're getting painted. Yes, the car's on jack stands. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh my God. It matches with the color, right? Can't wait to put that one on. It also has the white thing. Let's see if they're working. Yep. Let's see, turn signals. That's the only thing I don't like. I like the yellow in the bottom. It matches my mirrors and my headlights, but it is what it is. Let's go to the other side. That's working. Now let's try the others. All right, guys, welcome back to another day. Got my wheels back, just finished mounting them. They do look brand spanking new. Look at that. Brand new. So I'm going to change this light. Got this one right here. Don't mind the mess. Let me see if I can open this. Just so I can match the tail lights and the color and the wheels and the front brace. But this thing looks crazy. So what's in the box? Of course we got this. We got a plug and play harness. And we got the bracket, bolts, nuts, whatever. And the cable that we run from the light up to this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this right now. First, we need to remove that one. So I gotta get under the car, of course. So once you get under the car, I don't know if you can see, you need to remove, there's a clip there, sometimes. Another one right here. After you remove those, you can wiggle this around a little bit. I'm gonna move these, that way I can have a little bit more play. So yeah, let me move this one out. So, remove that, cut the zip tie. Now, you see I removed this. Now the light is hanging through the other side. So, we come, I gotta remove this. Now that the light is hanging out, we gotta remove this. If I can find the flathead. I don't know where I put it. Should be somewhere, oh, right here. Remove this. There you go. Now the other one. There you go. So these two, put them up here. And this, I think, just pops right out. Oh, there's another one. So, gotta pop that little one out. Let me see. I don't know how I would. There you go. Right there. No more. And now I think I can pop it out. There you go. The wires just ran through right there, through this grommet. I didn't have a YouTube channel, but that one I did it myself. So that's why I know what I'm doing. Because I did the other one. So you just want to poke a hole in this one. And yeah. Then it goes up here. Get it? Let's see. Oh, can't do it one-handed. But yeah, it goes up to this right here. I put matte tape on it, you know, just to be cautious. So let me get it out of down there because it's stuck. So of course, now we grab this. I think this only fits on one side, so should be on this one. Can't do this with both hands occupied, but let me see. There you go. Put that one right there. This end, of course, you connect it to this side. Yeah. Let me see. It's not easy, bro. We didn't get a GoPro. So we put this one, okay, in there. Bah. So that's connected. Now, let's put the light in there. First, we gotta put the bracket in the back. Let me get it out. Now that that's in there, just like that. I don't know if it's in the hole, but I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Now we get back out of under there. We get this. Oh man. So these tabs go on the bottom, just like this, on the bottom. And both corners gotta be on the outside of both plastic parts. So the plastic things have to be inside of this, in the middle, you know, inside. So we're back up here. We're gonna need this, and we're gonna need one of these bolts. Let's go back downstairs. So, where we put the clip, oh man, fell. Where is it? Here it is. So where we put the little bracket thingy, we're gonna put this in there. I'm gonna thread it in there, and the clip, this clip, is gonna go in that top hole right there, up there. So now we're gonna grab the light, and we're gonna put it in. You're gonna put it like in as a upward, so it doesn't get caught on the screw on the bowl or whatever, and the clip. Hey, don't fall on the floor. And let's see. I gotta pull the cable on the back, so now that it's in, we're gonna put these two screws in the back. Again, these two holes. This is my old bracket. So you're gonna put one right there and the other one right there. It's to hold the light in place, so yeah. And it fell on the floor. Hopefully it's not scratched. But anyways, let me do this. Do this. Alright, so before I wrap up today's video, that's already done. I connected, damn, I already put this back. But I connected the blue to the green, the black to the black, of course, and the red to the red. Yeah, and it works. Let me turn it on real quick. I forgot. There it is. There it is. And when I turn on the, I don't have nowhere to put the phone right now. I mean, I can put it there, but I'm too tired. I just want to finish this. When I step on the brakes, in the middle it flashes, pa. So yeah, that's done. And this is how she's looking. Yeah, she's still in the air. That's why she looks like that. She's still jacked up on this side. That's why she looks all, Got the diffuser. Got to put the duckbill back on. The hood scoop. Then we outside this weekend.